welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieved this slick braided pony look, so just stay tuned. So I started on freshly washed and stretched hair. So I took down those braids that I had and began to flat iron my hair to get a nice and flat look, since I do have really thick hair. And right here I'm getting ready to add in some moisture to my hair and add some heat protectant right before I get ready to actually flat iron my hair. Just have this part left. My hair is already poofing up. But yeah. Alright y'all, so I just finished flat ironing my hair. A lot of people be asking me, ooh, do not mind my bed. A lot of people be asking me, like, why you don't wear your hair flat iron? Why you don't wear your hair flat iron? And sorry, I'm standing right in front of the fan, so sorry if it's hard to hear me. But they be like, why you don't wear your hair flat iron? This is why. Because my hair flat iron be looking like a blowout. My hair is thick as hell. It's not trained to be flat iron. I don't flat iron my hair. So it don't be giving flat iron. It be giving blowout. And when my hair is blow out, it be giving, I don't know, electrocute. So yeah, like in order to get my hair flat, like you have to use like the hot comb and the flat iron. And I'm not talking about the electric hot comb. I'm talking about the hot comb on the stove, like in fire. And even then, about 4 hours later, it be back looking like this. So yeah, I don't even try to flat iron my hair no more, because it have to be trained, and I just don't have time for that. So yeah, but I definitely need a trim, like real bad. But I'm gonna go on ahead and start slicking my hair down. I got some Got To Be glue. I'm gonna do it with Got To Be glue. trying to decide if I want to show y'all that. I'll show y'all a little bit. I'm gonna do with the Got To Be glue and my blow dryer. And I'm trying to decide if I want a low ponytail or a high ponytail. I'm pretty sure I want a high ponytail. Maybe easier to stick it into a low ponytail right now. But I think I'm gonna do a high ponytail. So I'm gonna do a high ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and get to that because I'm actually tired and I want to go back to sleep. Even though that's not a good idea because I do have a little bit of homework to do. It is easy homework, so yeah. But my Got To Be glue, I just have to go buy some more because I'm out. Well, I bought this up. Yeah, y'all see. So my Got To Be glue. Where's my blow dryer? In the closet, I believe. Here at the top. We're gonna go back into this bathroom and get to slicking this motherfucker down. I always say that when I'm finna slick my hair down. I be like, we finna get to slicking this motherfucker down. Do I even have a scrunchie? A little one. Hopefully that one will work. But I will probably need a couple of them to start slicking it down. Slicking it up. Slicking it up. I'm doing it. Slicking it up. But yeah, I'm gonna get right back to y'all. So right here, I'm parting out the center of my hair so that it'd be easier to slick down. Why I'm doing this is so that I can actually slick the center of my hair down to get a base foundation of my ponytail. So that way when I slick down the outside, it'll be easier to have that, you know, center down so that I'm actually just slicking down the outside and the center is already exactly where I want the ponytail to be placed. So now what I'm getting ready to do is actually take my Got To Be glue freeze spray and start spraying around this middle section and blow drying it down so that way I am forming the shape that I want for my ponytail. Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell them this, did he miss, Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's. Now once I have that middle part in place, I loosely put a scrunchie on it and then do the same thing for the surrounding part of my hair. I put it up, put the Got To Be glue spray around it, and blow dry it into place. Junior want to not be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a mission. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
So right here I use my favorite edge control in wax. Mine is Instant Control and Mary's Beeswax to actually give it an extra slick to my ponytail.
Yeah. Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, in the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Now since I have my hair slick to my liking, I'm just taking a little bit of extra got to be glue to spray it down. I'm wrapping my hair down and then you'll see me getting my braiding hair to actually add for my ponytail. Now for the ponytail, what you want to do is go on ahead and take your hair and the braiding hair and split it into 3 equal parts And then you want to take some of the edge control and lather it onto your hair and the braiding hair so that it blends in, and just begin to braid your hair. Now don't forget to take a piece of the braiding hair and set it to the side, because this is the piece that you're going to use to wrap around the base when you're done.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, that work come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Something about that work. When you walk out, when the cat from my church.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing.